So I'm Dr. Paul, and we just finished our Chiropractic Personal Injury Attorney Educational Sales workshop. And we're here with Dr. Bob. And then again, the Personal Injury Attorney Workshop is the single most lucrative marketing a chiropractor can do. And you have to use educational sales, not publicity or advertising. And that's what this was, is that's what we learned. So let me ask you, just off the top, how'd it go?
Pretty good. It was very informative, put it all together.
Now, you've been practicing how long?
33 years.
Okay, a little while. So you've taken probably several other seminars.
Oh, sure.
How would you rate this personal injury seminar relative to the other ones you've taken?
Oh, this is #1 by far, yes.
Is that right?
Yeah.
What would you say the number one thing? So you're saying this is the number one after 30 years of taking seminars. What's the number one thing that takeaway from this seminar that just really, you're like, wow, that was really good?
Well, it outlines each step for personal injury, spoon feeding the attorneys.
Now, this was marketing. This was personal injury attorney education sales, so it's marketing. In other words, it's how to get referrals from attorneys. Now, you understand that there's unbelievably highly specific things you have to do, don't you?
Yes.
Now, you also now know why publicity doesn't work, don't you?
Correct.
You also know why advertising doesn't work.
Right.
But you also now know why educational sales works real well, don't you?
Educational sales, yes, and that's what
And in other words, the difference.
Yes.
And why one works really well and the other two don't work well at all.
Right.
You know that now, don't you?
Yes.
And matter of fact, you have that ability to some degree right now. In other words, we had you go through all of these categories, didn't we?
Yes.
Okay.
Interactive, a workshop.
Yeah, so it was highly interactive, okay?
Yes.
What would be the last takeaway you would say from this? So at this point, and by the way, did you ever, in 30 plus years, have you ever tried to talk to attorneys and get business?
Not like this, no.
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 Can you see how now you'll be able to?
Yes.
Also, can you see why now you were not able to before?
Yes.
How many things, now that you know how it works, how many things now are there that you didn't know and you didn't do, and that's why you did not get the referrals?
Yeah, there were like 10 things.
Easily, right?
Yes.
Okay, thanks a lot.